We now move from procrastination to goal setting. And the book we are using is called The Magic Lamp by Keith Ellis. And the story goes as follows. Once upon a time, there was a man named Bilal who lived a fairly ordinary life. He had a decent job and a comfortable home and a loving family. But he always felt like something was missing. He had a nagging sense that he was capable of achieving more, but didn't know how to make it happen. One day, Bilal stumbled upon The Magic Lamp, a book by Keith Ellis, and he decided to give it a read. He read about the importance of setting clear and specific goals, and he realized that he had never really done that before. So he decided to give it a shot. Bilal started by identifying his core values, in other words, the things that were most important to him in his life. He realized that he valued family, personal growth, and financial security. From there, he created a vision for his future by imagining what his life could be if he achieved all of his dreams. Bilal started by setting up SMART goals, which stands for specific, measurable, attainable, and relevant, and time-bound. He set a goal to earn a promotion at work within the next 6 months, which would allow him to save enough money to take his family on a vacation to Europe within the next 2 years, and to enroll in a personal development course within the next month. Finally, Bilal developed an action plan, breaking down each goal into smaller actionable steps. He created a schedule outlining when he would work on each of those steps, and he held himself accountable for making progress every day. Over time, Bilal began to see real results. He earned the promotion at work, thus giving himself and his family more financial security. He was able to save enough money to take his family on a trip to Europe, which created great memories and brought them closer together. So what did Bilal learn? He gathered 6 main ideas from the book. 1. Identify your core values by reflecting on what is most important to you in life. 2. Create a vision for your future by imagining what your life could be like when you've achieved your goals. 3. Set SMART goals as they will help you focus your energy and track your progress. 4. Develop an action plan by breaking down each goal into smaller actionable steps. 5. Overcome obstacles by expecting challenges and setbacks and developing strategies to counteract them. 6. Celebrate your successes and take time to celebrate your milestones. This will keep you motivated and propel you